Hey everybody, Natalie here with Fix.com. In this video, I'm going to teach you about the 6 biggest deal breakers you should watch out for when purchasing a new home. Buying a home can be an intimidating process, especially if you're not totally sure of what to look for. That's why getting a home inspection done by a qualified and trustworthy home inspector is so important. The inspector will provide you with a report that will help you see past the surface and know what you'd be getting yourself into should you buy a new home. Deal breaker number 1. Whole house aluminum wiring. Common in houses built between 1965 and 1973, aluminum wiring installations have a higher potential for causing damage than traditional copper wiring. Aluminum degrades faster than the more reliable copper wiring and can more easily cause household fires. Apart from being pretty dangerous for your family, it's not ideal for your largest investment. Deal breaker number 2. Buried oil tanks. Nowadays, these tanks are placed beside homes for easy access, but in the past, many of these tanks were buried to keep them out of sight. The problem with buried tanks on a property is that they're difficult, expensive, and dangerous to remove, so best to steer clear. Deal breaker number 3. Many unpermitted remodels. If the home you're looking at buying has gone through a lot of changes or remodels, especially unpermitted ones, that can mean big headaches for your own plans and may even be a risk to your safety. If previous owners fancied themselves a handy person and didn't get permits for their work, there's no guarantee of proper safety standards, which could put you and your family in danger. Deal breaker number 4. Pervasive mold. Apart from being just plain gross, mold can be very expensive to get rid of. Minor mold issues can usually be dealt with fairly inexpensively, but if mold has made its way through a large part of your home, through the attic or between floors, you're looking at a huge cost to make that space livable. It may be best to pass on the property and save yourself the added expense and headache. Deal breaker number 5. Extensive termite and carpenter ant damage. Finding out your new home is being eaten away from the inside out is a nightmare. So if your home inspection report alerts you to the presence of termites or carpenter ants, beware. Termites are especially skilled travelers, so it can be difficult to follow their patterns of traffic. Meaning some termite damage often means there's undetected termite damage elsewhere. Deal breaker number 6. Asbestos. As with the rest of our deal breakers, asbestos can be a matter of scale. Just because a small room in your home may have a floor made with asbestos doesn't necessarily mean you're in any real danger. However, if asbestos appears throughout your potential home frequently and in different forms, you might want to think twice about purchasing. Cement asbestos shingles covering the entire house, for instance, should probably be a deal breaker. Knowing what issues are minor, major, or complete deal breakers is critical when reviewing the home inspection report. Being informed can either help you buy the home of your dreams or avoid the nightmare of your life. What do you think people should look out for when buying a new home? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks again for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more useful videos.